In this video, we'll explore how to automate your B2B sales planning using MindPass and the powerful capabilities of ModularMind. First, let's outline what our workflow will do. We aim to streamline our B2B sales planning by automatically retrieving target company information from our meeting notes on Notion, visiting their websites, extracting relevant data, and identifying potential contacts on LinkedIn. To begin, we'll utilize MindPass to seamlessly log into Notion and LinkedIn. Since we use our Google account for authentication, we'll start by signing into Google, then proceed to authenticate Notion and LinkedIn. We now logged into our Google account. Let's continue with Notion. Finally, we log into our LinkedIn account. Next, let's fetch our latest meeting notes from Notion. Instead of providing a direct link to our current latest meeting notes, we'll instruct ModularMind to dynamically locate the page containing the list of our meeting notes and searching for the latest entry, identified by its date. This way, our workflow remains adaptable to changes in our note-taking structure, ensuring that we always access the most up-to-date meeting notes without the need for manual updating of links or references. We'll now add a stack to instruct ModularMind to find the link to our latest meeting notes, ensuring that our workflow remains adaptable to changes in our note-taking structure. Once we've obtained the meeting notes, we'll direct ModularMind to extract the titles and website links of our target companies mentioned within. So, we add another stack to instruct ModularMind to read our latest meeting notes and extract the target companies. At this step, we'll add another stack to instruct ModularMind to navigate to the website of each target company we found from the meeting notes, gathering information about their services or products, contact email, and the URL to their LinkedIn company page. Now let's explore LinkedIn to identify potential contacts. As you can see, the company's page on LinkedIn has a section named People. This section provides a valuable resource for discovering individuals associated with the company, ranging from key decision makers to potential contacts for our B2B outreach efforts. By instructing ModularMind to retrieve the link to this specific section, we can access a curated list of relevant professionals. We'll add a stack to guide ModularMind in finding the links to the people pages of each company listed in our meeting notes. Lastly, we'll instruct ModularMind to visit the people page links we found at previous step for each company, extract relevant employee information, and filter potential contacts for our B2B sales efforts. Let's pick GPT-4 Turbo model for our stacks for this workflow. With our workflow now configured, let's hit the Run Chain button and watch as ModularMind seamlessly executes each step, showcasing its intelligent automation capabilities. Notice how ModularMind dynamically locates our latest meeting notes, even though we didn't explicitly share its name. Moreover, it effortlessly identifies and extracts data from specific sections of web pages, such as the People section on LinkedIn, demonstrating its agility and flexibility. This level of automation extends beyond predefined templates or code-specific instructions, making it a powerful tool to automate any task on any website. ModularMind's ability to interpret web pages and instructions in natural language streamlines complex tasks like B2B sprint planning, offering unparalleled efficiency and ease of use. And there we have it. With each step flawlessly executed, ModularMind accurately retrieved our latest meeting notes, identified the companies mentioned within, and effortlessly obtained details such as their websites and titles. Navigating LinkedIn, ModularMind successfully located the People section for each company, providing us with the links to their profiles. Furthermore, ModularMind filtered through the data to identify potential contacts for our B2B sales efforts. With ModularMind's agility and flexibility, Automating complex tasks like sales sprint planning becomes effortless and efficient. With its intuitive interface and robust automation capabilities, ModularMind empowers users to maximize productivity across diverse workflows. Try it yourself at modularmind.app.